an emergency they had, and they sent the person to this court that was his court.
No, you're right on time, Ms. Hernandez, always.
Thank you. Thank you.
In it.
All right, who's on that Samsung SMG 988U device?
Could it be Dina Bryant?
No, I got you checked in.
Oh, thank
Good
you.
morning to you. Samsung
Thank
just
you.
got their audio connected. Who's that on that Samsung device?
Oscar Morgado Gonzalez.
Okay, good morning to you.
Yes.
Señor, ¿necesita intérprete?
Sí,
Okay, thank you. He needs interpreter, Your Honor.
Okay.
¿Cuál es su apellido, señor?
González Morgado.
González Morgado. Primero González. Gracias.
All right, Ms. Mathis, can you get them a docket? I got the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center needs a docket. I have the attorneys may need a docket, and Ms. Williams Law may need a docket.
Okay, I'll resend them. I did send them yesterday. I'll
Okay,
resend them.
I do have mine. Thank you.
I received.
I have
Okay,
I have mine. Thanks.
all right.
okay. Ms. Williams Law, do you have yours?
Yes.
Okay, so anybody who needs a docket, put your email in the chat and then I'll forward it to you.
Okay, good morning, counselor. Who's your client?
Excuse me, Keith Griffin. I think he's already logged in.
Okay. All right, then what are you gonna get another date, or what are you gonna do today? You want an offer? I'll
Yes,
get you an offer.
Yeah, I sent in the deviation request with all the documentation to the prosecutor, Dante Goss.
All right.
I've been waiting for his offer along the impaired.
All right, we'll get you another date.
Okay.
All right. Are we ready, Mr. Williams Law?
Yes.
Your Honor, may I ask who needs interpreter?
Yes, you may.
Thank you. Buenos días, por favor. Aquellos que hablan español y que necesitan un intérprete, ¿me pueden decir, por favor, quién necesita intérprete?
Yo, Pablo Mejía Pérez.
Pablo Mejía Pérez. Ok. Pablo Mejías Pérez. Ok, señor, yo voy a hacer su intérprete para hoy. Espere a que llamen su caso y mantenga su micrófono en silencio hasta que llamen su caso. Cierre su micrófono, gracias. ¿Quién más necesita intérprete? ¿Alguien más necesita intérprete? Ok, gracias. ¿Perdón? Okay. Well, it looks like only one needs interpreter so far, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. I guess we can get going here. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Keith Griffin. Case number is Z8084611. Appearance for the record, please.
Judge, for the record, Arnold Weiner, P 22104, retained counsel on behalf of Mr. Griffin, who has logged in. Mr. Griffin, state your full name if you have any objection proceeding by Zoom.
Keith Jabon Griffin.
Any objection to Zoom, sir?
Objection of Zoom.
Nor do I, Your Honor. I just want to let the court know that back on April the 18th, I sent in all the documentation showing what he's been doing, going to AA meetings, counseling on his own, to the city attorney. I was told to send it to Dante Goss, and I was hoping we would have a resolution today. But whatever you want to do, Judge. And
You were hoping a resolution. Ms. Mathis, on Mr. Griffin's file, is there a I don't know if Goss is not here today. So I'll start with saying that he won't be back until next week. So I don't know if there's an offer in the file. Is there an offer in Mr. Griffin's file?
Right now, Your Honor, to see if I can find an offer.
Hit the D when I want to look at it. They hit the D when I'm look at me. I forget. Just good.
No, I do not have an offer, but I can call and try to get him an offer.
Well, I want to make sure at least that Goss has read and had a chance to look at the deviation request. Let's do this. Go ahead, Counselor.
No, go ahead. I mean, we just put over then, 1 week or 10 days, Judge. Not a problem. But
All right, let's do that because I do want to make sure that's what about is Goss said he's going to be back next week, right, Ms. Mathis?
Yes. So we could do either a Tuesday or a Thursday if you want to define which day is best for you.
I don't know what day he said he's actually going to be back. Let's try another pretrial on May the 12th.
hold on, Judge. Let me, okay. Yeah, I can make it. 8:30, same time
8:30
again?
a.m.
All right, thank you very much. We'll log off.
All right, have a great day, and you have a good day, Mr. Griffin. Come back on next week on the 12th at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right. All right, Counselor for Vincent O'Neill. Did Mr. O'Neill sign on?
Judge, he's signing on now, I think, Your Honor. I wasn't sure if there might be an offer in this case, if maybe the city attorney did something. Your Honor, he's signing on now, Your Honor, if we may have a moment.
Yeah, you can have a moment. All right, let me get you Ms. Hernandez. I will
Thank you, Your Honor.
Are you there, Ms. Hernandez?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor. Can you see me?
Yes, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that you will, to the best of your ability, translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do.
All right, very well. Ms. Hernandez, your device seems to be giving us feedback. I think that's your device. No, that's this gentleman's device. All right.
Exactly.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Let's move on to the one person that we know needs. Well, let's go to. What about offers, Miss Mathis?
And who do you need offers on?
Well, everybody, if you can just forward me the offers and I can go through them. We're talking about Vincent O'Neill right now.
Okay, I'm about to send all the offers to you and House Counsel.
All right. All right, let's get some reviews out of the way. Karen Campos Hernandez.
Señora Campos Hernández.
Sí.
¿Necesita intérprete?
No.
Okay, she doesn't need interpreter and she's there, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Let's go with all right, this is the city of Detroit versus Karen Campos Hernandez. Case numbers SP 130-75601. Appearance for the record, please. Well, I don't think we need appearance. This is a review. Ms. Hernandez, you had an improper plate. I see you did 12 hours of community service. We're gonna, at this time, dismiss the case based on your completion of the 12 hours of community service. All right, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, you have any questions?
No.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you, you too.
Bye-bye. Let's go with Dina Bryant. Wait, this is the city of Detroit versus Dina Faye Bryant. Case number SP 125-44982. Ms. Bryant, can you state your name for the record, please?
Dina Faye Bryant.
All right, Ms. Bryant, I got a message that you had some difficulty with completing your community service hours.
Yeah, they took a minute to get back with me, and then when they got the appointment, they tried to make it for a Friday because you can do Mondays and Fridays, but I had a Carmanos appointment. And then when I finally seen them, he said to maybe find something around where I live. Well, I wasn't able to do that. So then I had to wait till Monday to call him back. And then he didn't call me till Saturday, and he finally set something up. Now I have COVID. I went to the doctors and I've got it said I was positive for COVID. It wasn't for the lack of not wanting to. It just, I don't know what happened. Monday and Friday happened, I think. We happened to go to that appointment Friday.
All right, when are you going to be able to get this done, ma'am? How many days do you need?
A few days. How many ever days it takes me to be okay? Probably within.
I'm going to give you 30 days.
Oh, that's plenty time.
I'm going to give you 30 days. I hope you get better.
Appreciate it. I appreciate it.
So we're going to put this off a review until June the 8th at 2022 at 8:25 a.m.
Okay, 8:22.
No, 6/8/2022 at 8:25 a.m., all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a great day.
You too.
All right.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, what was that date?
June 8th, 2022.
Here's a Mr. Escamilla. Good morning, Your Honor. It's Ms. Puenteo. Mr. Escamilla is here for a review as well.
Yeah, just about to call him. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Steve Michael Escamilla, case number SP 1235137-1 and 18438. Strike that. SP 1235137-1. Hearing for the record, please.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Cherica, wait. Good morning, Your Honor. Cherica Harris, P72832 on behalf of Mr. Escamilla.
Okay, Mr. Escamilla, for one, I see two things going on. I'm going to dismiss. All right, I see. I don't understand why he only had to do 12 hours of community service.
I've actually did 30, Your Honor.
You did 30 hours? Now that sounds more like it. Do we have confirmation that he's done 30? Because all I have written here is 12.
No, I've done 30. I just seen the guy from the Southwest place, actually just now on the camera. I mean,
yeah, Mr. Phillips.
Confirm that information, Your Honor, and we will get right back to you.
All right, let's confirm that. And then I'll close out these cases. All right. Rosa Martinez, I have you checked in. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Let's put that aside until we get, and then Ms. Coleman, I have you checked in. Good morning to you. Let's put that aside until we get confirmation that those hours are completed. Let's move on.
John?
Yes.
Mr. Escamilla, he did complete 30 hours.
All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call also into the record case number SP 125-10122, and I'm gonna call 184318981 into the record. I am going to dismiss the SP 1235137-1. I'm going to dismiss SP 125-10122, and I'm going to close out 184318981 for your completion of that 30 hours of community service, sir. If there's nothing further, if you don't have any questions, good luck to you.
No, thank you very much. I had a question about the warrants. Those are all closed out as well, right?
There's no warrants. Yeah, there's no warrants. The cases are going to be dismissed.
Okay, so I should be clear to go grab my license now, correct?
Yes. Oh, yeah. I think you should have been clear sooner than that, but yes, you should be clear.
All right, thank you, Your Honor, very much. I appreciate it.
All right. Mr. Owens, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
All right, what's going on, sir?
Well, we tried to set up a time for community service, and it conflicted with my work schedule. But I went down there and I talked to James over at the community service office, as well as Tony at the Clark Park, and they were going to give me times. I got his phone number. He told me to give me a time when I can come down.
All right, so how much time do you need?
I shouldn't need no more than 30 days, Your Honor, to complete the 24 hours.
All right. This is the city of Detroit. Versus Donald Eugene Owens Jr., case number SP1221800, count 1, and SP122200701. State your name for the record, please, sir.
Donald Owens.
All right, Mr. Owens, I'm going to give you an opportunity to complete those hours. I'm going to give you till June the 8th, 2022. I'm going to set it for a review at 8:25 a.m. All right.
Thank you.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right. Is Wendy Samano here?
Yes, I'm
¿Hay
here.
alguien llam-
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Wendy Samano, case number SP125-76231. Appearance for the record, please, or just state your name for the record, please, ma'am.
Wendy Samano.
All right, Ms. Samano, I have confirmation that you have completed the 12 hours of community service. With that, I am going to dismiss your case, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, you have any questions?
No.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay. Who was the Brenda Ramirez? I have you checked in. Counselor, is your Tim O'Neill? Did he ever check in?
I'm not sure if he's on.
Vincent O'Neill.
Yes, I am here, but I can't see you guys. Hold on, there we are. All right. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's see.
Judge, can I try a breakout room with the officer and the city attorney perhaps before we?
Is this set for trial today?
I think so. Yes, Your Honor.
Formal hearing, 31 miles an hour over. Who's the officer here for O'Neill?
Officer McCombs.
Okay, McCall is good. Good morning to you. All right, let me put you in a breakout room with counsel, and you guys can talk this out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That's Officer Officer McCombs?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I have Okay, that's the, okay, very well. Join the room, Officer Drake. I'm gonna put you guys in breakout room number 1. Good morning to you. I don't have a city attorney yet. So you can just sit tight until they join that room. Okay, let's move on. That Hernandez, who was the first Hernandez that signed in?
¿Quién es el primer Hernández que se registró?
Good morning.
Let's see. Take your hat off, sir, please. All right, let's see what Jesus Hernandez. Rios Hernandez.
Yep.
Oh, you got your review as well. This is the city of Detroit versus Jesus Rios Hernandez, case number SP125506661. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning. My name is Jesus Rios Hernandez.
All right. Let me just make sure. I do have confirmation that you completed 12 hours of community service.
Yes, sir.
I just want to check the system to make sure there's nothing else out there. All right, we're gonna dismiss the case, sir, based on your completion of the 12 hours of community service.
Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a great day.
You too.
Who do we actually have in contact about the dockets?
Ms. Mathis is the one that's getting the dockets. Let me do this. I can forward them to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, I think we have a resolution on O'Neill.
Okay, just give me a second, Counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, docket. All right, what's your email address, Mr. Phillips? Mr. Phillips. Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I got it. J Phillips at swdcj.org. What's your email address, Ms. Buentel?
I just received it from Miss Harris, Your Honor. She just sent the docket over. So I'm going to open it up and print it for both of us. Thank you, Miss Harris.
I got a copy.
You're a blessing.
All right. Let's move forward. Thank you, Ms. Harris. Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit. Where's this is the city of Detroit versus Timothy Vincent O'Neill, case number SP129-80741. Appearance for the record, please.
Glenn McCandless for defendant.
Officer McCombs, Detroit Police Department.
Can you put your badge number and your precinct on there, Officer McCombs?
Officer McCombs, Detroit Police Department, badge 4083, 5th Precinct.
Did you put your P number on the record, Counselor?
No, Your Honor. P46246, Glenn McCandless from Mr. O'Neill.
All right, what kind of resolution did you come up with?
We came up with a 6 to 10 limited access, 80 to 70.
All right, is this? I hope this 31 over is it 31 miles an hour over, sir. Going down Harper Avenue.
It wasn't my proudest moment, sir. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was not using better judgment that day.
I mean, you got kids, you got people walking, you got other cars traversing the street and 31 miles an hour over.
Yes,
That's
sir.
absolutely ridiculous. It's just absolutely ridiculous. And then we're not talking about 31 miles an hour over. We're talking about 43 miles an hour over the speed limit.
As I said, it was a stupid move, sir.
Yeah, just don't say any more, please. Because
Yes, sir.
I almost need you to go to the defensive driving course, like we send other people to get this deal. Do you have anything to say, Counselor? I mean, Officer McCombs? All right. Counselor, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 6 to 10. This is a super favorable offer that you worked out for your client. And I will not accept this offer again.
Yes, yes.
This is absolutely ridiculous and unnecessary. And so I'm going to, it could have been way more serious than this. It could have been drag racing. It could have been a lot of different things, probably reckless driving. It could have been a lot of different things. Now I'm gonna have your before I accept this offer, I'm gonna have your client go to the Michigan defensive driving course. I'm gonna put the information in the chat, and this is something that, you know, I appreciate the fact you've worked out a very, very favorable offer. But in good conscience, we routinely send people to defensive driving course for much less egregious infractions as this. If he completes the course, sends me the certificate, I will take the I'll allow the deal to go through. Okay. Let me put this in the chat for your client.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And it's up to him if he wants to do it or not.
Okay.
Because what I see is I'm all for giving breaks and things like that. But what I see when I look at this is that he's already been given a break by not getting charged with much more serious stuff. Michigan defensive driving, please select the Detroit defensive driving option, and upon completion, send the certificate to me at seanper.perkins at 36 district court.org. All right, sir. If you look in the chat there, you can see the course that I need you to take. I'm going to give you 30 days to take the course. Come back in 30 days, and we will avail you of that offer in 30 days, limited access 6 to 10. That's going to be the next action date is going to be June the 7th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. All right.
Do you need me to log in? Do you need me to log in then, Judge, on 6/7?
Not necessarily. If your client has taken the thing, I've got the notes here. If your client's taken the course, it's not necessary for you to come back. I'm going to fine him what is that, $135? I think $135, and he'll get the limited access 6 to 10. That's a 1-point offense, sir, down from a 4-point offense.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. If it's nothing further, yeah, I don't mean to jam you up. I've seen you worked a lot for your client, counselor. But when I look at the allegation here, and I don't think it's really much dispute on it, we send people for a whole lot less to that Michigan defensive driving course, and I think really, based on what your client told me, is he wasn't having the best day. And there's a section on that course that talks about the attitude that you have when you get into an automobile and how that carries over and dictates your driving. So it's particularly a lot of things in there that I think everybody can learn or refresh to learn. But we're gonna make sure you get that course, sir. Send me the certificate, and we'll get you in and out of here. All right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Questions?
Have a good day. No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Okay. Who is the Miss? Do you want to take a poll and see who needs an interpreter or not?
Good job, sir.
Ms. Hernandez.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. Buenos días, por favor. ¿Hay alguien de los que se ha conectado después que necesite intérprete? Y no me haya dicho. Tengo al señor Pablo Mejía Pérez y a la señora Brenda Areli Ramírez. ¿Hay alguien más aparte de ellos dos?
Yo también le había
Dígame.
dicho.
¿Quién es usted? No lo veo. No lo veo. Bueno, nadie me dijo nada. Usted me dijo adiós, pero no me dijo nada. Rubilio Arreaga.
All right, counselor, you're on court.
Necesito un intérprete.
¿Quién es usted, señor? No lo oigo.
Necesito un intérprete. Soy Rubilio Arriaga.
Rubilio Arriaga, ok. Rubilio Arriaga. Perfecto, señor Arriaga, ya lo tengo. El señor
Yo
de
también
abajo.
quiero intérprete.
Usted me dijo que no necesitaba.
Sí, le dije que yo le dije que era Oscar Morgado González.
Ajá, pero le pregunté y entendí que no quería, pero chévere que necesita, no hay problema. Oscar Morgado González.
Sí.
Ok, Oscar Morgado González. Ok, señor González, ya lo anoté. Muchas gracias. ¿Alguien más? ¿Alguien más necesita intérprete?
Yo.
Haroldo López.
Harold, sí.
Ok, señor Haroldo López. Haroldo López. Ok, ¿alguien más? ¿Alguien más? ¿No? Ok. Okay, Your Honor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 so far.
Okay. All right. Well, is there any other people that are here for a review?
¿Hay alguien más aquí que esté aquí para una revisión de su caso, que ya haya cumplido las horas comunitarias?
Yo, Haroldo López.
Your Honor, Mr. Haroldo López.
Oscar
and Mr.
Morgado.
Rubilio Arriaga.
We got a lot of interference back here.
Y yo también.
Ah, ok, señor
Rubilio Arriaga.
Morgado. Ok. Rubilio Arriaga, Oscar y Haroldo, los tres están aquí para revisión. ¿Ya hicieron sus horas de servicio comunitario?
Sí.
Sí.
Señora Arriaga, ¿usted también? Ok. Pónganse en silencio otra vez, por favor, que hay mucha interferencia. Your Honor, 3 of them are here for review.
All right,
Mr.
who did you say?
Rubilio Arriaga, Oscar Morgado y Haroldo López.
And who did you have down there, Mr. Phillips?
I was just announcing that Mr. Lopez is here for review.
All right, I don't see
He's
Mr.
upstream.
Lopez on the review thing here. That
He's
doesn't
not
mean-
mine either.
All right. Is there something, give me your, is it just Lopez or is it Lopez?
Señor Haroldo, ¿es solamente Haroldo López o es Haroldo López López?
Es López Chávez.
López Chávez,
Chávez.
Your Honor. Ya. Señor Rubilio, por favor, ponga su micrófono en silencio porque por alguna razón usted tiene hace mucha interferencia. Póngalo en silencio hasta que llamen su caso. Gracias.
Yeah, Lopez Chavez. I don't spell Chavez, C-H-A-V-E-S.
Z.
I'm sorry. And Haroldo.
Haroldo.
And he has a middle name of Orlando.
And yeah, okay, I see he was here. And how many hours of community service? Take your hat off, sir, please.
Señor, por favor, quítese la gorra. Y ponga su micrófono abierto, gracias.
How many hours of community service did he complete?
¿Cuántas horas de servicio comunitario concluyó usted, señor Haroldo?
12.
12.
All right, what about this disorderly conduct?
Y este nuevo de conducta desordenada.
Oh, no, yo no sé de eso.
I don't know anything about it.
What's your date of birth, sir?
Señor, ¿cuál es su fecha de nacimiento?
Enero 9, 96.
January 9th, 1996.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Geraldo Orlando Lopez Chavez, case number SP1222161. Can you state your name for the record, please, sir?
Por favor, señor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Haroldo Orlando López Chávez.
Haroldo Orlando López Chávez.
Okay, sir. I have you, the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, you have confirmation that he completed those 12 hours of community service, Mr. Okay, I have confirmation that you completed 12 hours of community service, sir. So I'm going to dismiss that case. But I do want you to know, and you can probably speak with the lawyer about this, that there's another case that has the same name as yours except just a little bit different birth date. He doesn't need an interpreter. He doesn't need are we still there? He doesn't need an interpreter, Miss Hernandez?
Found out on the, you were not on the.
Señor Haroldo, Mr. Haroldo López.
5/11.
Sí.
Yeah, he needs an interpreter, but I didn't know you were talking to him. I'm sorry.
Okay, so I've got confirmation that you completed 12 hours of community service. So based on that completion of that 12 hours of community service, I'm going to dismiss the case that I call.
Ok, yo tengo información de que usted completó las 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Y en base a esa confirmación de esas 12 horas, yo voy a desestimar el caso que llamé, el número de caso que está en el acta.
And
Okay.
but I do see another case here, a disorderly conduct case that is open with the same name as yours with a slightly different birth date. You can either speak with the lawyer about that and probably get some insight on that, or if it's not you, then you would be free to leave.
Bueno, yo tengo aquí otro caso de conducta desordenada con una persona con su mismo nombre y una fecha de nacimiento un poco diferente. Entonces, si usted quiere hablar con su abogado en una sala de consulta privada y con la intérprete, para averiguar sobre eso.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, it's okay.
You want to speak with the lawyer regarding it?
¿Quiere hablar con el abogado para referente a eso?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I don't see him. Is he on the docket today?
No, I cannot see him.
All right.
Not on the docket for today. I mean, it's not on this docket, but he was scheduled for his review for today.
Yeah, I don't see him on the review either, but.
Does he have a case number, Your Honor? You want me to look it up for you?
No, I have it. I see that he's, I got his case number here, but it's just not on the docket. Who's gonna represent Mr. Lopez Chavez?
I can, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Do you have access to the system here, Ms. Robinson?
From the system, I'm sorry.
He's got 2 open cases. Well, he says that it's not his birth date, so I don't know what he's gonna claim.
Okay.
And I'm gonna send those cases off. It's got the same address, different birth date. I'm gonna send those cases off to another judge.
All right.
No, he would be with me anyway. He would be, but this is not gonna go on the community court docket because I'm not gonna give him the opportunity to take community court again for this. So I'll let you speak with him in a breakout room.
All right, Judge, is there an offer today? I'm sorry.
No, I doubt if it's gonna be an offer today either. We can
Okay.
get him arraigned, or you can ask him if this is him. He's got the same address. It's got the same information. So he might try to say it's not him. It may not be him, but it's got the same addresses and disorderly conduct and an alcohol-related violation on 12/19/2021. So speak with him. I'm going to put you guys in a breakout room.
Thank you.
Ok, yo los voy a poner a ustedes en una sala de consulta privada porque él tiene otros casos aquí. Uno del 2021, y entonces habla con él a ver si él es esta persona o no. De todos modos, esos casos no van a estar dentro de este acuerdo de horas comunitarias que ya tenemos para el caso que llamé. ¿Ok? Ok. Señor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada donde lo están mandando, donde aparece el botoncito azul, por favor apriete y vaya para allá.
All right, let's move on.
Your Honor, we have Javier Rivera for review. He's on the screen.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Javier Rivera, case number SP 123974141. Mr. Rivera, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yeah, Javier Rivera.
All right, sir, I've got confirmation that you have completed, what is it? How many hours of community service did you complete?
125.
Where let me see your face, sir.
My camera is on.
All right, let's see what you have. Are you the one with the drugs and stuff?
With the what?
Let's see. Let's see, Javier Rivera. What's your middle name, sir?
Junior.
Just Junior. And I told you I would give you an opportunity to clear up all this with community service, correct?
Yep. Yes, sir.
All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna close out all your cases. What did you do for that 125 hours of community service?
We cleaned Clark Park. We cleaned the office, fixed trash, put trash bags in place, a lot of different stuff.
How long did it take you to do that?
Barely finished. Let me get my paper. Okay. One of the pages I finished 3/17/2022. Because I got 3 different papers. I finished. The last day was 4/24/2022.
All right, now, sir, I've given you this opportunity to clear this stuff up. Hopefully you kind of learned something. Hopefully that working in your community will become infectious and you go out there and do some community service on your own. But more importantly, hopefully you don't go out in the community and just offend, and you don't just not come to court anymore. All right?
All right.
All right, can you do that, sir? That should be an easy thing. I see you got a young kid, there. Is that correct?
Yeah, I got 5.
You got 5
I've been doing.
kids.
Yeah, this was old stuff since 2015 and up. So I've been doing good. Just things catch up to me, and now I'm taking care of it.
All right. All right. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
No, now I'm gonna go get it. Now I should be able to get it.
All right, we're gonna dismiss the cases. Let me make sure. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna go through and close this stuff out. All right.
All right.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a great day.
You too.
All right. Let's go with Diego Monreal.
Yes. Hello, Your Honor.
All right. How you doing? You don't need an interpreter, do you, sir?
No, I'm fine.
Right. What's your middle? How do you spell your last name?
It is Monrreal. Then I have another last name, It's Padilla.
No, wait a minute. Can you put that as a hyphen in between there?
Yes.
And what is it?
Padilla. Padilla.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Diego Manuel Padilla, case number SP130433541. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. My name is Diego Monreal Padilla.
And good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832 on behalf of Mr. Monreal Padilla.
All right, so this one is leaving the scene of a personal injury accident. This one is something that I don't know if your client wants to contest. Let me see first if there's any offers that have been availed to him as it relates to this particular incident. I don't think that there will be because of the nature of the offense, but let's see what the city, if there's anything the city has put in there.
So, Your Honor, in reviewing it, it appears they wanted to speak with their officer. So I think the best thing for Mr. Monreal Padilla to do would be to set this for trial.
All right. Do you understand that, sir?
No. What's gonna happen?
Bill, there's no offer, so the only way you can dispose of this today is just to plead guilty as charged, which would probably give you a lot of points on your driver's license, and I'm sure that you don't want that.
No.
I'm inclined to send them to the other court, but it's only one charge, so I am going to allow you to we'll get the officer in here. We'll come back on another date, and then we will see what the offer will be at that time. The city attorney wants to speak to the officer, and the city attorney wants to have a conversation and see what the officer's version of the events are.
Okay, so I will be able to contest it, right?
Yes, you will be able to contest it.
Okay,
right.
yeah.
All right, trial date is going to be June the 1st, 2022 at 9 a.m. Did we arraign him? Let's arraign him now.
Okay, Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client will stand mute, Your Honor. And I do want to let Mr. Monreal Padilla know that I believe this would be a 6-point offense as charged, and I also believe it carries a 90-day suspension on it for his driving privileges.
All right, this is a 93-day misdemeanor. Maximum possible penalty is 93-day misdemeanor and or a $500 fine, and we'll set a trial date. We'll give him a not guilty plea, enter a $0 bond, and set a trial date for 6/1/2022 at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing
Thank
further,
you, Your Honor.
have a great day.
Thank you.
All right. So, Fania. Are you there, ma'am?
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. Let's see what you have. Did I pronounce the name right?
Sophion.
Sophion, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you're fine.
This is the city of Detroit versus Amani Sarur Sophion, case number SP132-17041. Appearance for the record, please.
Sarah
Chair,
Robinson for,
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
hello, Sarah Robinson for Miss Amani Sophion. Ma'am, please state your name.
Amani Sophion.
All right, ma'am. Can we arraign her quickly?
Yes, for purpose of arraignment, we will waive the formal reading and stand mute.
All right, ma'am. Did you, to resolve this case, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, and we will give her a $0 bond. To resolve the case, we're going to ask you to do some community service, ma'am. Are you willing to do that?
I'm a full-time student and I work full-time.
Well,
I also was told by the officer that just come to court proving I got my license and everything would be dismissed.
All right, let's run her driver's license, please, Miss Mathis. It's ticket number SP132-17041. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea, $0 bond.
Okay, Judge, I'm gonna need you to repeat that case number one more time. You said it was
SP132-17041.
17041. All right, thank you.
Ms. Robinson, what does your client want to do, Mr. Lopez Chavez?
Mr. Lopez Chavez is under the impression that when he was in court on April 13th, that those matters were resolved.
Ms. Mathis, we need to look up Mr. Lopez Chavez file when you get done doing that SOS.
Okay, Your Honor. And the SOS is valid for
Very well. Okay, ma'am, I'm going to dismiss the ticket based on the fact that you have provided valid documentation. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you so much.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a great day.
You as well. Thank you.
All right, Pablo Perez.
Sí. Señor Pablo Pérez.
Sí.
Yes.
Yes, okay. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Pablo Perez, case number SP1328458, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP1328461. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso de Detroit contra el señor Pablo Mejía Pérez, caso número SP 132-84-581 y 582. ISP 132-84611. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Pablo.
Pablo
Sharika
Mejía Pérez.
Harris on behalf of Mr. Perez.
Sherika Harris, representando al señor Pérez.
Okay, do we have an offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ok, tenemos una oferta, sí, su señoría.
Okay.
It appears the offer is he could plead to allowing, and counts 1 and 2 would be dismissed. So I believe count 3 is being amended to allowing.
Okay.
Sí, su señoría, la oferta es que él se declare de haber permitido que alguien se licencia a manejara y el otro cargo será enmendado y los otros retirados.
And I apologize, Your Honor. I got that wrong. Case ending in 611 would be amended to allowing. Counts 1 and 2 of the other case number would be dismissed. I apologize.
Very well.
Ok, disculpo, su señoría. Lo que quiero decir que es, lo que quería decir era que el caso terminado en 611 se va a enmendar a que él dejó que manejara a alguien sin licencia. Y en los otros casos 581 y 582 se le van a quitar.
All right, sir, do you want to do 12 hours of community service to clear this up, sir? We'll
Ok,
dismiss
señor,
the-
usted quiere hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario para aclarar todo esto y se le quitan los otros 2 cargos.
¿Puedo pagar solamente lo que pasa que como trabajo full time?
Can I just pay because since I work full time?
I understand you work full time, sir, but this case is only coming to me because you got this ticket out of Southwest Detroit. You wouldn't normally be on my docket. We're trying to resolve, this is community court, so we're trying to resolve these matters with community service. You can go to the other judge and see if you can get the same deal. I don't know if it's going to be the same deal, but you can go to the other judge and then see if they'll let you pay. But in this court, you got to be willing to do community service or we'll send you off to your alphabet judge.
Señor, este es la Corte de Servicio Comunitario. Aquí pagamos con horas de servicio comunitario. Si usted no quiere pagar con horas de servicio comunitario, yo tendría que mandarlo al juez que le tocara, ¿verdad? Según su apellido. Yo no sé qué le va a ofrecer el juez allá. Yo no sé. Aquí lo que le podemos ofrecer es que usted pague con 12 horas de servicio comunitario uno de los tickets enmendados que tiene menos multa y los otros 2 se los quitamos. Ahora, si usted quiere ir a su juez que le corresponde y hacer allá lo que le digan, usted dirá.
Ok, nada más quiero saber cómo se haría el servicio para poder hacerlo. Está bien.
Okay, it's okay, but I would like to know how do I do this community service? So I know what can I do to be able to do it.
All right, we'll get that information to you, sir.
Okay, señor, le vamos a dar esa información.
All right, sir. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Levante su mano derecha, por favor, para ser juramentado.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad.
Sí.
All right, sir, you can put your hand down.
Okay, señor, puede bajar su mano.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Sir, do you understand the conviction for a misdemeanor offense if you're not a United States citizen can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que una sentencia por este tipo de delito, y si usted no es ciudadano americano, podría tener alguna injerencia en su estatus migratorio?
Sí.
Yes.
Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y usted entiende que la máxima penalidad que se le puede dar a usted por este tipo de delito es de hasta 93 días en cárcel y o también $500 de multa.
Ok.
Ok.
Do you understand do you have an absolute right to a trial, sir?
Y usted entiende, señor, que si usted quiere pelear esto, ir a juicio, usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio, si así lo quisiera.
No, está bien.
No, it's okay.
No, I said, did you know you have an absolute? I just want you to know your rights.
Señor, yo solamente le estoy diciendo cuáles son sus derechos.
Okay,
Usted
sí.
tiene el derecho. Oh, yes.
And do you know that by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right, sir?
Y usted entiende que si usted toma esta oferta que que le ofrecimos, entonces usted ya no podría ir a juicio, si así lo quisiera.
Está bien, gracias.
Yeah, it's okay, thank you.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Señor, y aparte de lo que ya acá dijimos aquí que consta en el acta, que fue lo que le ofrecimos, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to March the 17th, 2022 at around 3:41 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area for Lafayette and Wheelock, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Ok, señor, déjeme dirigir su atención al día de los hechos, que fue el día 17 de marzo del 2022, alrededor de las 3:41 de la tarde, en la intersección de Lafayette y Willow. En ese día, a esa hora, ¿lo paró usted un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y ese oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí, solamente le di una licencia internacional.
Yes, and I only could gave him an international license.
All right. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And
Okay.
with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other two counts.
Ok, yo entonces voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre, ¿verdad? Perdón, una de culpabilidad de haber permitido a alguien más que no tenía licencia manejar. Y después de las estipulaciones de la causa probable, voy a quitarle los otros 2 tickets.
So stipulated.
Está estipulado, su señoría.
All right, sir. I'm going to need a good phone number from you.
Ok, señor, necesito que me dé un número de teléfono donde nos podamos comunicar con usted.
Ok, 313.
313.
715.
715.
8923.
8923.
All right, and I need you to take this number down, sir, to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Ok,
Trace.
señor, necesito que anote, por favor, este número para que se comunique con el servicio, ¿verdad? De justicia comunitaria del suroeste de Detroit, el Centro de Justicia.
313-879-2155.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
And you call them, you do that 12 hours of community service, sir. Call them in the afternoon, set up that community service. You get that 12 hours done, and I'll dismiss this case.
Ok, señor, llámelos esta misma tarde. Ahí está la señora Buentello y el señor Phillips, y ellos hablan español. Bueno, la señora Buentello. Para que puedan coordinar con ustedes, con usted a qué hora y cómo tiene y dónde tiene que hacer estas horas de servicio comunitario, ¿verdad? Y una vez que usted haga estas horas de servicio comunitario, usted vuelve a corte, ¿verdad? Cuando le toque la revisión, y entonces le quitan los otros 2 cargos y este está cerrado, ¿ok? Después de que las haga.
Okay.
I'm going to give you till June 8th, 2022 to complete those hours.
Entonces tiene que volver aquí hasta el 8 de junio del 22 para que cumpla esas horas. Para ese día ya tiene que tener esas horas hechas y tiene que volver a conectarse en esta corte.
Con el mismo número de corte.
Sí, ya.
Okay. ¿A
Iba
qué
a
hora?
preguntarle algo. ¿A what time, Your Honor?
8:25.
A las 8:25.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, señor, que tenga un excelente día.
Thank you. Gracias, para ti igual.
Thank you, same for you, thanks. Gracias, señor.
Muchas gracias.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you. Karen Campos, I think we took care of her already. Arturo Hernandez. Oh, let's get the attorney. You got an attorney in here. Counselor. Is he there? All right, he's not responding.
Yes.
Oh, you there, Counselor? All right, let's go with Arturo Hernandez. You there, Mr. Hernandez?
Yes.
You need an interpreter, sir?
No, sir.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, what is your middle name?
Here.
Pardon me?
Javier.
It seems like have you completed your community service? I don't see what brings him here.
What is his name now?
Arturo Javier Hernandez.
I see Arturo Hernandez Garcia on the docket. On the first page.
That's are you Arturo Hernandez Garcia?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you willing to do community service to clear this stuff up, sir?
I work Monday to Saturday, 11 hours, and my only day off is Sunday.
Well, do you have a valid driver's license?
Not at the moment.
Do you have, well, it's just either you can do 12 hours of community service and we'll dismiss everything, or you can't.
I can't pay the fine?
No, it's not. You can go, I'm gonna send, let's get him to his alphabet judge. Who's ever over there at handling the H's. Miss Mathis.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can we get Mr. Hernandez Garcia to his alphabet judge? He can't do community service, so we're going to send him off to his alphabet judge.
Who said his name? What time is he scheduled?
He's at 8:30.
8:30. Okay,
All
let
right.
me look him up. I'm gonna find him a date.
Did we find out did we get the file for the other gentleman to look in there and see what his case is all about? He indicates to the court that that stuff was supposed to be cleared up. Who was that client, Miss?
I think it was Lopez Chavez.
Yes.
Hernando. I did check into it and it's still just pending. So I wasn't present on the last hearing, which is April.
Well, I should put it, if there, do you have his file?
Yes.
Is there any notes in the file? Are there any notes in the file?
Yes, there's notes.
And does it say anything about those cases are supposed to be dismissed or closed out or anything?
Okay, it says allowing, it was supposed to be amended to allowing 12 hours of community service dismissed upon completion. Count 2 was dismissed, no officer. I think that's already dismissed. Hold on, let me see. No, it's not. And yeah,
We're
so
talking
somebody,
particularly about the what's his name? Lopez Chavez.
correct. I think it was a clerical error, so it needs to be updated. So if he did the 12 hours community service, we can go ahead and update it. It must have been a clerical error. I'm not.
No, but he has a disorderly conduct and an alcohol related violation.
Okay,
that
so
are pending.
this. Okay, hold on. Let me run his driver's license number because I did run his name.
And he indicated that that's supposed to be cleared up.
Okay, let me run it. So I ran it and I only seen.
I don't really see how that's possible, but. All right, so sir, if Mr. Hernandez Garcia, if you can find some time to do 12 hours of community service, I'll give you that opportunity to do that. If you don't, you can go to the other judge and he can see if you can see if you can pay there. But it's probably gonna result in some misdemeanor conviction.
I'll do the 12 hours.
All right, let's go. This is the city of Detroit versus Arturo Hernandez Garcia's case number SP 1321645, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sarah Robinson, appear on behalf of Arturo Hernandez, P63181. Sir, please state your name.
Arturo Hernandez.
Okay, sir. Let's get him arraigned.
For purpose of arraignment, Your Honor, we waive the formal reading and stand mute.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir, and we'll give you a $0 bond. We are going to, the offer for you today is going to be a pleading to the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And that'll be 12 hours of community service, and we'll dismiss the other count, and I'll dismiss the allowing upon completion of 12 hours of community service. You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes.
All right, sir. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, sir, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Yes.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to March the 7th, 2022 at around 1:31 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of West 4th Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Yes.
And did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
And why is that?
I don't have my license.
All right, so I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with stipulation of probable cause. Counselor, I'll dismiss the other count.
We'll stipulate, Judge.
And sir, I'm gonna order you to do 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. I told you upon completion of that 12 hours, I will dismiss this other misdemeanor. Sir, do you have a good phone number?
734-846-8995.
All right, sir, I'm gonna get you to write the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. 313-879.
Oh, give me a second. Go ahead.
313-879-2155. Give them a call this afternoon, sir, and we will get those hours done. I'm going to give you till June the 8th to get those hours done, and we'll close this matter out, all right?
Yes.
All right, if you haven't had them done, I need to see you back June the 8th, 8:25 a.m., all right?
Yes, sir.
Have a great day, sir.
You as well.
All right. What about Oscar? I forgot. I didn't get the whole last name. I think he needs an interpreter as well.
Yes, Your Honor. Oscar Morgado Gonzalez. The gentleman with the t-shirt that is white and the sleeves are blue.
All right. Did you see him on the docket?
Let me see.
Mr. Gonzalez is supposed to be here for review.
For what?
Gonzalez,
It's supposed to hear for what?
review.
Oh, is he?
Yes.
For what?
Review.
Ah, okay.
I don't
you.
see him on the review either.
I don't see it either.
I see him on here. All right, let's go. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Oscar Gonzalez, case number SP 128-45662. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Oscar González, número de caso SP 128-45662. Su comparecencia, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Sí.
Okay, Mr. Gonzalez, you had an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I see you've completed your 12 hours of community service. With that, we're going to dismiss your case, sir.
Ok, señor González, ya ve usted que usted tiene aquí el ticket enmendado de que permitió manejar a alguien que no tenía licencia y que ya usted cumplió sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario, por lo tanto, le voy a quitar el ticket.
Gracias, sí.
Thank you, yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a great day.
Ok, señor, si no hay más nada, entonces está bien, se puede ir.
Mire, nada más una pregunta. Me había llegado otro documento que me tenía yo que presentar a la corte el mes 7 del día 27 del 2022. por este mismo ticket.
Okay, I just want one thing. I received a paper that says that I have to go to court on July the 7th, 2022 for this same ticket. Do I have to go again?
No, the ticket's gonna be dismissed if it's the same case number.
Señor, si es el mismo número de caso, esos tickets se les van a quitar.
Oh, está bien, muchísimas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Okay, señor, que tenga un buen día.
Igualmente, gracias.
Same to you, thank you.
So let's go move on to Ribello Array.
Vamos a seguir
Arrega.
con el señor Rubilio Arriaga.
Arriaga.
Ok, señor Rubilio.
Ajá. No, perdón, disculpe, lo que pasa es que una confusión, no he hecho servicio comunitario. Es la primera vez.
Okay, I just want to clear that I'm not here for the review. This is my first time.
All right, do you want to do community service to clear this up, sir?
Ok, señor, ¿y quiere entonces hacer los servicios, las horas de servicio comunitaria para acabar con esto? Para aclarar esto.
Pues, ¿puedo pagarlo o cómo? O sea.
Can I pay or what?
No, that you have to go to another court to pay. You gotta do the community service. And
No,
we'll
señor,
dismiss-
aquí esta es la
dismiss
corte,
the case.
como se le dijo al otro señor, esta es la corte de servicio comunitario. Aquí se paga con horas comunitarias. Si usted no quiere hacer horas comunitarias, entonces el juez la manda a la otra corte que le toque y, bueno, hacer lo que le diga ese juez.
Pues, está bien,
Aquí,
mejor. Las horas
ok,
comunitarias.
yes, I will.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Rubelio Arriaga, case number SP 1324262, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, can you repeat the case number? There was a lot of noise.
Yeah, it's SP 1324262, counts 1 and counts 2.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Rubilio Arriaga, número de caso SP 132-4262, cargos 1 y 2. Su comparecencia para que conste en el acta. Diga su nombre, señor.
Rubilio Didier Roblero Arriaga.
¿Rubilio qué?
Rubilio Didier Roblero Arriaga. Didier Roblero Arriaga.
Es Roblero Arriaga. Ok. Rubilio Didier Robledo Arriaga.
Roblero Arriaga.
Roblero Arriaga.
Okay, and can we get him arraigned, please?
Yes.
Chair, I can hear.
Yep.
Chair, I can hear us on behalf of Mr. Arriaga. For purposes of arraignment, he would stand mute and waive formal reading of the information.
Ok, su comparecencia, por favor. Mi nombre es Cherika Harris y estoy representando al señor Roblero Arriaga para la lectura de cargos. Y para esto de lecturas de cargo, él va a permanecer en silencio.
All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond.
Ok, yo voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer y no le voy a poner ningún tipo de fianza.
All right, sir, and I'm gonna offer you an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive 12 hours of community service. We'll dismiss the other count today and we'll dismiss the allowing upon completion of the 12 hours of community service.
Ok, señor, entonces el trato que le estoy ofreciendo es que usted haga 12 horas de servicio comunitario para el cargo enmendado de que usted permitió que alguien sin licencia manejara. Cuando termine esas 12 horas de servicio comunitario, se le va a quitar ese caso y hoy, al usted tomar las 12 horas, le quito el otro caso que queda pendiente.
Ajá, perfecto.
Ok, perfecto. Perfect, I mean.
Okay, sir, can you raise your right hand, please?
Señor, por favor, ¿puede levantar su mano derecha? Derecha.
The other
Derecha.
right.
La otra derecha. La otra.
Sir, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Señor, ¿usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Exacto, la verdad.
Yes, the truth.
All right, you can put your hand down.
¿Puede bajar su mano?
Sir, do you understand a conviction for a misdemeanor offense if you're not a United States citizen can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que una condena por un delito menor como este podría tener consecuencias migratorias si usted no es un ciudadano americano? ¿Entiende?
Ajá.
Yo no, señor, no, ajá.
Sí, está bien.
Yes.
Sir, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y usted entiende que la condena máxima para este tipo de delito podría ser hasta 93 días en cárcel y o también $500 de multa? ¿Entiende?
Sí, sí, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Usted entiende que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio si usted quisiera ir a juicio.
Pues,
¿Usted entiende que tiene el derecho de ir a juicio?
pues, sí, sí entiendo, pero no se puede pagar o algo.
Yes, I understand. Ajá.
Pues sí
La pregunta
entiendo,
es si entiende o no
sí,
entiende. La pregunta es si entiende.
entiendo.
¿Ah?
Sí entiendo.
Yes, he understands.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Señor, escucha la pregunta. ¿Y usted entiende que si usted toma esta oferta que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a su derecho de ir a juicio, si quisiera?
Ajá, sí, sí entiendo, pero no puedo pagar o algo que pues termine el caso.
Okay, I understand, but can I pay so I can close we can close the case?
No, you're not going to pay. You're going to do community service. If you want to pay, I'm going to send you off.
No, señor, es lo que le dijimos antes. O sea, aquí tiene que hacer servicio comunitario o se tiene que ir para otro juez.
Sí puedo hacer servicio comunitario.
Y es lo que dijo antes, señor, y es lo que le ofrecieron. Yes, I'm doing the community service. That's what you said before, and that's what the judge is offering.
Disculpe una pregunta.
I'm sorry, I have a question.
No puedo cambiar a otro juez.
Can I change to another judge?
Yes.
Sí.
Ok, entiendo.
Get him,
I understand.
get him over to who's got the A's, Miss Mathis?
Ok, señor, entonces le están buscando para mandarlo al otro juez como pidió.
Ajá, exacto.
Ok, exactly.
Put the matter
Judge
aside.
Holmes, Your Honor.
Judge Holmes, let's get him over. Get him to.
I think she does, Ace.
Well, let's get him the Zoom ID and the telephone number over there. Call over there, Miss Mathis, and see when his next pretrial date will be.
Okay, Your Honor.
Please. All right,
Okay,
let's move
señora.
on. I got you,
Señora Ma-
Counselor. I called your name.
Sorry,
so-
Your Honor. I didn't know you were referring to me. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Let's do this. Ms. Jansen, are you our city attorney today?
Yes, I'm here for Dante Goss.
Okay, very well. Good morning. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. The officer Drake is in there for Mark Gibson. So you can speak with him. The day is the date and time set for a trial on that. He is here. And then if you can formulate some sort of an offer, we can get that to his counsel. And then we will see if that will give them an opportunity to talk, see if we can work this out. And if not, we'll get prepared for a trial. All right.
Sounds good. I'm joining room 1.
All right. You're joining room 1. The officer's in there for Mark Gibson.
Your Honor, I'm here for Mr. Garas, G-A-R-A-S.
G-A-R-R, okay.
I'm not sure if the trooper checked or officer checked in or trooper.
I don't have an officer to check in. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Samuel Garas, case number SX39633-531. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney A.J. Dowd on behalf of Mr. Grass, P67716.
All right. Is your client here, Counselor?
He is not, Your Honor. I request a waiver of his presence. It's a civil infraction. I do have permission to proceed on my own.
All right. I'm going to waive his presence. Grant that motion to waive his presence. And today is the date and time for a formal hearing. Is Trooper? Well, let's see. I don't know that the trooper has even come in the room yet. Is there a trooper in the room for Garas? Let me look that up and make sure the name is. All right. No, I don't. William Gerbut, William Gerbut, Trooper Gerbut. All right. Hearing no response, you want to make a motion, Counselor?
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna grant that motion based on no officer. If there's nothing further, you have a great day, Counselor.
You too, Your Honor. Have a great day.
All right.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Fully get his.
Oh, you missed it.
It's 677 and then it trailed off. I didn't hear the end.
Let's see. I think I have it here. 67716.
And what was the person's name? Well?
Garas, G-A-R-A-S-S-S. He's on the middle of 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Your Honor,
Yes.
do we have an officer for Ms. Rosa Martinez, the trial matter?
No, I don't believe we only have one officer. So is there another trial here?
Yes.
Is Miss Martinez here?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Call the case. Let's see. This is the city of Detroit versus Rosa Isabel Martinez, case number SP124-51391. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Martinez. Ms. Martinez, please state your name for the record.
Rosa Isabel Martinez.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial in this matter. It appears complaining witness has failed to appear. We move for dismissal.
All right, is there an officer, Joseph Anthony, Officer Joseph Anthony, hearing no response? I am going to grant your motion to dismiss the case because today is the date and time for a trial. Let me see here, Ms. Martinez. 9/27/1992.
Yes.
Okay. That's not you.
Yes, that is me, sir. 9/27,
No, I'm thinking of something else. All right.
I'm sorry.
If it's nothing further, ma'am, you have a very good day. You're free to leave.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right. All right, let's go on to Lakey. Alexis Lakey. I saw her check in. Is she here? Alexis Lakey. All right, let's move on. Coleman.
Yes, I'm here.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing fine.
All right, are you willing to do community service? Let's see, what is your, pronounce your first name for me, please.
It's Asiana.
Asiana. All right.
Community service is fine.
All right, let's see. You have a lot of things going on here. All right, we can help you. All right, this is the city of Detroit. Are you in Southwest Detroit, ma'am?
No, I'm in Detroit.
All right, you must have got these tickets in Southwest Detroit.
Not that I'm aware of. I don't really drive in Southwest.
I don't see her on the docket, Your Honor.
The last ticket I got was on Living Noise in Davidson.
Ewall Circle in Buena Vista. Why? What brought you here? Yeah, you're supposed to be in 435.
Yeah, this is the Zoom ID they gave me when I went to court last time, so I'm not sure.
Let's see, where's the Zoom ID they gave you?
1 second.
Do you have it written down?
Yeah, hold on 1 second. I'm looking for it right now.
Because you're supposed to be in courtroom 435.
Okay, okay.
Do you have that Zoom ID?
No.
You got 434 as a Zoom ID?
Yeah. I can't even find it anymore.
I'm sorry you waited this while. You're supposed to be in 435. Miss Mathis, can you call over to 435 and see what they have going on over there? Miss Coleman has been in here since this morning, so.
Try to connect with the court. I'm gonna call. Let me give him a call.
Please call. All right, let's see if we can get you to your right courtroom, ma'am. Let's go with Ramirez, Brenda Ramirez. Oh, Miss,
Señora Brenda Ramírez.
Sí.
She's here, Your Honor.
All right, let's see what she has.
I couldn't find her in the list either.
Ma'am, can you state your name, please?
Señora, por favor, ¿puede decir su nombre?
Sí, es Brenda Arely Ramírez Macías.
¿Ramírez qué?
Macías.
Macías. Yes, Your Honor. Brenda Arelis Ramírez Macías.
I think you've been here before, ma'am. I think you've been here before.
Yo pienso que usted estaba aquí antes, señora.
Sí, de hecho estuve el día 6 de marzo. Estuve en 2 cortes anteriores. La anterior fue el día jueves pasado, el 28.
Yes, I have been here twice before, and the last one was last Thursday on the 28th.
Y el juez me dijo que tenía que estar hoy aquí presente.
And Judge told me that I have to be here today.
Okay, give me a case number, please.
Okay, deme un número de caso, por favor.
Y es S. T. 1 3 0 1 38
38
41
41 OP
OT. T de Tito.
Ok. Your Honor, SP130138441OP.
T de Tito, no P.
Ah, OT de Tito.
Sí.
All right. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Brenda Ramirez Macias, case number SP 130133841.
Ok, ese es ese caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Brenda Arelis Ramírez Macías. Número de caso SP 13013841.
Ma'am, do you have a driver's license?
Señora, ¿usted tiene licencia de conducir?
No.
No.
All right. Are you willing to do 12 hours of community service to get this case dismissed?
Señora, ¿está dispuesta a hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario para que entonces se le desestime este caso después de que las concluya?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, let's get her arraigned. Can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Ramirez, for purposes of arraignment, she will stand mute, waive formal reading of the information.
All right. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, $0 bond. Ma'am, I'm going to offer you an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm sorry, Ms. Hernandez.
Ok, entonces vamos a leerle sus cargos. Sí, mi nombre es Cherica Harris, voy a representar a la señora para efectos de la lectura de cargos. Ella decide permanecer en silencio y cede la lectura del documento acusatorio. Y voy a ok, entonces está bien, vamos a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre. Disculpe, señor Hernández.
All right, one moment, please. Let me take a little bit of a break.
Ok, un momento, déjeme que tengo que tomar un pequeño receso.
Está bien.
It's okay.
Vete. Oh.
Se oye todo.
Perdón.
All right, I'm back on the record. Ms. Ramirez, I will offer you an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That's a 0-point offense. It's a misdemeanor, but I'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon completion of 12 hours of community service.
Ok, volvemos otra vez en el acta con el caso de la señora Ramírez Macías. Señora Ramírez, la oferta que le doy, que le ofrezco es que el ticket enmendado de que usted dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara, ¿verdad? Que tiene 0 puntos en su licencia el día que la vaya a sacar, o si ya la tiene, es un delito menor. Y el cual voy a desestimar después de que usted cumpla las 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Ok.
Ok.
Right. Can you raise your right hand, please, ma'am?
Señor, ¿puede por favor levantar su mano derecha?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down, ma'am.
Puede bajar su mano, señora.
Ma'am, you understand if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues.
Señor, ¿usted entiende que una condena por un delito menor podría tener injerencia en su caso migratorio en caso de que usted no sea ciudadana americana?
Sí, sí entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así quisiera.
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y usted entiende que la máxima condena que usted podía recibir por este delito es de hasta 93 días en cárcel y también de $500 de multa, hasta $500 de multa.
Sí, sí entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
You understand that taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y usted entiende que tomando esta oferta, usted está cediendo su derecho a ir a juicio.
Sí, sí entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de esto que se ha dicho aquí y que consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido algo diferente?
No.
No.
Okay, ma'am, let me draw your attention back to January the 19th, 2022 at around 3:52 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Martin and Devereaux Street. Ma'am, did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Ok, señora, permítame dirigir su atención al día de 19 de enero del año 2022, aproximadamente a las 3:52 de la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit, en las inmediaciones de Martin y Devereaux. ¿Allí la paró ese día y esa hora un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes.
And on that day, ma'am, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y en ese día, en ese momento, el oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
Y no pudo mostrársela, ¿verdad?
No, no tenía conmigo nada.
No, I didn't have one.
All right, I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive or you to do 12 hours of community service, and I'll dismiss upon completion of the 12 hours of community service. I need a good phone number from you, ma'am.
Ok, señor, entonces yo voy a introducir una declaración de que usted permitió que alguien sin licencia manejara y en la cual voy a desestimar ese caso después de que usted complete las 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Necesitamos, por favor, un buen teléfono donde nos podamos comunicar con usted.
Ok, es 313.
313.
918.
918.
60.
60. 37.
Okay. I need you to take this number down, ma'am. to the
Ok,
Southwest
señora,
Detroit
necesito que usted anote este número.
It's Tres Uno Tres 879 2155.
2155.
Call them this afternoon, ma'am, and get those hours set up. I'm going to give you till June 8th, 2022 to get that done. And we'll dismiss the case if it's done.
Ok, señora, tiene que llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria del Suroeste de Detroit, que es ese número que le di esta tarde tan pronto como le sea posible para establecer cuándo va a ser las horas de servicio comunitario. Y le doy hasta el 8 de junio para que se conecte aquí otra vez y ya tenga esas horas hechas, y una vez que comprobemos que tenemos que usted hizo las horas, le vamos a quitar el caso.
¿Es el mismo número para Zoom? ¿Para el 8 de junio?
On the June the 8th, do I have to connect in the same Zoom ID from today?
If you've completed the community service hours, then no, you don't. But if you haven't, then yes, you do.
Ok, si para ese entonces usted no ha concluido con el Centro de Justicia Comunitaria las 12 horas de servicio comunitario, sí se tiene que conectar. Pero si ya las ha hecho y ellos tienen la confirmación de que usted los ha hecho, no tiene que conectarse.
Ah, ok.
Ok.
Gracias.
Thank
All right.
you.
If it's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Call them this afternoon, please.
Thank you.
Ok, señora, si no tiene ninguna otra pregunta, que tenga buen día, por favor, llámelos para establecer ese horario que tiene que hacer.
Está bien, gracias.
Okay, it's okay. Thank you very much.
All right. All right, let's go with Coleman. Did we get a date for Coleman or a contact for the courtroom in 435, Ms. Mathis? Ms. Mathis?
Yes, Your Honor. Excuse me, I was helping the prosecutor.
Okay.
Yes, I have dates. And did we arraign the defendant? Because if we arraigned him, he has another date.
Coleman?
So the defendant that wants to go to Judge Holmes?
Oh, that's Arturo. Yes, that's Arriaga. Yes, we arraigned him.
Okay, so then his pretrial date is going to be 5/25 at 1:45 p.m. for pretrial. Okay, and you said you needed a date for Coleman?
Hold on, let's get him a Zoom ID at 5:25 pretrial.
1:45 p.m.
At 1:45 p.m. And then let's get him the numbers. So let's go back on the record with Mr. Rebelio Artiago. Okay, sir, your pretrial date for Judge Holmes will be May 25th, 2022 at 1:45 p.m.
Ok, volvamos para que conste en el acta, en el récord, para el caso del señor Rubilio Arriaga. Señor, anote, por favor. Usted tiene que ir enfrente de la jueza Holmes el 25 de mayo del 2022 a la 1:45 p.m. para un pretrial, para una consulta previa al juicio.
The number to Judge Holmes' courtroom is 313-965-2280.
El número de teléfono para que se comunique con la sala del tribunal de la juez Holmes es 313-965-2280.
And her Zoom ID
Y el ID para que se conecte en el Zoom ese día
is going to be 360
es 360
133
133
0000.
0000 4 ceros.
Perfecto.
All right, cool.
Perfect.
Zoom into there on that date and time, please, sir.
Ese día, a esa hora, un poquito antes, se tiene que conectar con esa Zoom ID ese día con la jueza.
Ajá.
Ok.
Have a great day, sir.
Ok, señor, eso es todo. Que tenga buen día.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
All right. Okay, Coleman.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge.
All right, we didn't arraign Coleman. We haven't called her case because she wasn't on our docket.
Okay, so is that the one, did we ever resolve the 435 matter?
No, that's Coleman, 435.
Okay, no one answered the phone. I called several times. So let me see if they have an afternoon back. Let me check.
All right. Now, what about Gibson, counselor, Miss Jansen? What's going on with Gibson? Do we have an offer for him?
Gibson, I emailed the offer to you, Mark Gibson.
Okay.
I emailed everyone the offer.
All right.
Your Honor, we
Yes.
are waiting for Mr. Haroldo Lopez about the two cases that were not updated or something like that. You remember?
Yes. Now, Miss Mathis, on Geraldo Lopez Chavez, you said you were going to look into that as far as the court was concerned. I
did. I looked into Lopez Chavez Hernando. Is that right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I checked into it, and what I just yes.
Go ahead.
Okay, what I discovered was there was a clerical error. I discovered there's a clerical error with the birth date, and there was a clerical error with the entry. So I did print the matter for the alcohol-related violation, but it's a different birth date from the other matters.
Yeah, so he hasn't been arraigned on those cases then, right?
He has been arraigned on the alcohol-related violation. He hasn't been arraigned. And
He hasn't been arraigned, or he has?
He has been arraigned. He was arraigned on February the 9th, 2022. He's been arraigned on all the matters. His last court date was April the 6th. He was scheduled for trial. I do not see any notes about the alcohol-related violation as to what happened that day. And it looks like maybe there was no officer. It was dismissed according to your notes.
Okay, so those need to be closed out then, right?
Yes, it was a clerical error that needed to be updated. If he did the 12 hours of community service, your notes was dismissed upon completion, and the other two matters, according to your notes, were dismissed, no officers.
Okay.
So I would just need to know if he completed the 12 hours of community.
Yes, all right, let's recall the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Geraldo Lopez Chavez, and we'll call case numbers SP 1222561, SP 1280135, counts 1 and counts 2.
Ok, volvemos a llamar para que conste en el acta el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Haroldo Orlando López Chávez. Y vamos a llamar los siguientes casos. SP 122156161 y SP 1280135, 1 y 2.
All right, I'm going to dismiss those in the computer, I'm going to dismiss the SP 1280135 counts 1 and 2. That was supposed to be in there for dismiss no officer.
Ok, yo voy a desestimar los casos. SP 1280-1351 y SP 1280-1352 porque el oficial no se presentó.
And then I'm going to dismiss the SP 12225-161 because he completed 12 hours of community service.
Y voy entonces también a desestimar el caso SP 1225161 porque ella completó las 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
All right, if it's nothing further, sir, your cases are closed out and dismissed. If you don't have any questions, have a very good day.
Ok, señor. Entonces, si no hay más nada, entonces no tiene ninguna pregunta, sus 3 casos han sido desestimados. Si no tiene ninguna pregunta, ya hemos terminado.
Está bien, gracias.
All right,
It's okay, thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Ok, gracias. Se puede retirar, señor.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Mark Quincy Gibson, case number SP 1219932, counts 1, 2, and 3, and U58259920. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, please state your name for the record.
Mark Quincy Gibson.
Okay,
Your Honor,
how you doing?
Go ahead.
With regards to the U ticket, it appears complaining witness has failed to appear. We would move for dismissal of that matter.
All right, today is the date and time set for that matter and all the matters, trial and formal hearing. The motion is to dismiss based on no officer. Is there Officer Landrum? Officer Landrum, seeing no officer, hearing nobody in the room, and we're going to dismiss that case. No officer. As it relates to the other matters, the offer for that, those two, the 3 other matters is to plead to the improper equipment. I'll fine your client $120 and dismiss the other 2 cases with stipulation of probable cause.
And Your Honor, we do appreciate that as the offer. I would ask, prior to him admitting responsibility for defective equipment, if Madam Prosecutor would consider he no longer has that vehicle, so he does have his registration and insurance for his new car. He's able to present that today. I know those counts were being dismissed per the responsible admission. Would the prosecution be inclined to dismiss all 3 as he now has a new vehicle? So there is no defective equipment. He has registration and insurance.
Harris, I would need to see verification of that. So if you could just send it to my email, and I'm happy to have a discussion with you after.
Can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Yes, this is Crystal Johnson on behalf of the City of Detroit, P81280.
All right. Can you would it be okay if he held that information up, Counselor, or do you want to see that in your email?
I typically like to receive that not on the spot, but prior to, so we can make we can present a resolution to you, Your Honor. So in this case, please just hold it up to the camera, even though we're not really supposed to because it's YouTube. But if you want to send it to me privately, I'm happy to review it over email.
If you want a breakout room, we can do that as well.
Yeah, that's
whichever
perfect.
is easier for the court or for you.
Yeah, we can do a breakout room.
I don't know how he's going to necessarily get that to you on the spot, but we can go to the breakout room. Let's pull out Officer Drake and put his appearance on the record. And then I'll put you and I'll put you in the breakout room, Ms. Harris, in breakout room 1.
Okay, I will join breakout room 1. Thank you, Your Honor.
And have Officer Drake come out and put his appearance on the record.
Sure,
please.
no problem.
Mr. Gibson, you should have an invitation also to join that breakout room. So make sure you join so you can show those documents.
I haven't given it to him yet. Okay.
Thank you.
There it is. He's on there now. All right, that leaves us with Satterfield, Timothy Satterfield.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What is your middle name, sir?
Porter, Porter. Timothy Porter Satterfield.
All right. What brings you here to my court?
Well, I got on my Zoom this morning when I checked the 36th District Court website, and it said your courtroom. So when I logged into it, it went automatically to it.
I don't see you on the docket at all. Well, I do see you on the docket. You just have so many matters that are outstanding and stuff like that. I don't know if you may need to go to your alphabet judge for this stuff. Let's see.
Well, I just was scheduled to come here.
I understand that. You're scheduled to come here because you had, take your hat off, please, sir. You're scheduled to come here because you apparently got these 3 tickets out of Southwest Detroit. But you got a number of matters that are in warrant status that are you willing to do community service, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you get over to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center on Lawndale Street? And do you live in Southwest Detroit?
Yes, I do.
All right. So, all right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get him arraigned right now, and we'll give him an opportunity to resolve these matters. It's gonna be a considerable amount of community service, but next court appearance, sir, we're gonna get you a court date. Now, here's the deal. I know you've been waiting a while, so next court date, if you get in here soon, at the beginning, I can get you out soon, but we got to get an offer and all that from you, okay?
Yes.
Hold on a second. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Mark Gibson. Officer Drake,
sorry.
can you put your appearance on the record, Officer Drake?
Yes, sir, Officer Drake.
Okay, can you give us your department badge number and precinct, please?
Officer Drake, badge number 2648. I'm executive protection right now. I'm not at a precinct.
Detroit police officer?
Yes.
Okay, very well. All right, good morning to you. Now, let me ask you this. Did we get a resolution to this, counselor?
Sorry, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. I've met with Attorney Harris as well as her client, Mark Gibson. He did provide verification of insurance on a vehicle, a 2001 Ford Mustang until July 2022, and his registration is valid until November 2022 on the same vehicle.
All right. Are you satisfied? Or whether the motion was to dismiss the offer was the improper equipment and dismiss the other 2 counts? Counselor asked for that improper equipment to be dismissed based on the fact that he does have valid insurance and registration now. Are you agreeable to that or not?
Yes, I'm agreeable to dismissing the tickets, the citations of Officer Drake.
All right, very well. All right, thank you. And we're gonna thank your lawyer, Mr. Gibson, for that advocacy that she did. What we're going to do is we're going to dismiss the cases, and I'll just put providing valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much, Ron. Thank you.
Mr. Gibson.
Mr. Drake, you have a very good day and be safe out there, all right?
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Your Honor, before we conclude and before Mr. Gibson logs off, Mr. Gibson, you're going to have to, did she leave? Nope. I'm going to need you to email those documents over because I do know that she would like to have those for her records. So I'm going to need you to take a picture of them and send them via email so that Madam Prosecutor will have those. So if
Okay,
you
what's
could
that
just
email
mute your,
address?
if you could just mute your device and I'll send you that email address. Thank you.
Send it in the chat.
Actually, Miss Harris, that's not necessary because we did verify over video.
Okay.
So it's just in the future, if you could do that, that way that would speed things up in the future on other cases.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just
thank
wanted
you
to
so
make
much.
sure it was comfortable on your end. Thank you.
Yes, it's just for efficiency and overall in general, but in this case it's fine. So thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. All right, Counselor. All right, Mr. Gibson, have a great day, sir. Be safe.
Sir, was there any other cases that I was told to come to court and take care of something?
All right, all the cases that were on the docket today are dismissed. Let me look up and see if he has anything else outstanding. What's your date of birth, sir?
11/19/1997.
Does she have a middle name?
Quincy. I'm just trying to make sure that I got this taken care of, sir. That's all.
Yeah, it appears that everything is taken care of. And well, let's see. He has another improper equipment. Why wasn't that scheduled? This is the City of Detroit versus Mark Quincy Gibson, case number SP 133-52711. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gibson. Please state your name, sir.
My name is Mark Quincy Gibson.
All right, this is a civil infraction. $120 will clear it up, or you can set this ticket was had on April the 14th, 2022. So just a couple of weeks ago at 2:30 a.m., City of Detroit, Van Dyke and 7 Mile is improper equipment. So he can either set a formal hearing date on it or clear it up with $120.
No, sir, I just had it. I just had tenant windows, sir.
All right. So you admitted to the improper equipment.
What?
So what do you want to do? $120. Either get rid of the tenant windows, or you're gonna keep getting pulled over, or set a formal hearing date, or pay the $120. What do you want to do?
I get rid of the tenant windows, sir.
No, I'm talking about get rid of the tenant windows in order for you to stop getting pulled over constantly about that, as the tenant windows are not lawful. If he gets rid of the tenant windows, Madam Prosecutor, and comes back and shows proof of that, what do you want to do with this ticket? I guess it's a civil infraction, so it's really, you don't have a right to counsel, and I don't think Madam Prosecutor really has to. What do you want to do with this ticket, Madam Prosecutor?
If we could set it for a date that is agreeable with Mr. Gibson to remove his tint on his windows, I'd be fine to dismiss it upon verification of that.
All right. When can you have those removed, sir?
Honestly, it had to take about at least 2 weeks, sir.
All right, let's have them back on we'll not put them back on them. We'll get them back on May 26th.
That's not the court date.
May 26, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. How are you going to do that? Show proof that the tents are gone on this vehicle. This is that 2001 Ford.
I'm fine if he's on Zoom in his vehicle.
Pardon me?
I'm fine if he shows us on Zoom in his vehicle as he is
Okay.
now.
So zoom back in on May 26th.
If not, I just got to pay, sir.
Listen, sir, are you going to pay or are you going to get him removed?
I'm just gonna pay, sir.
All right.
It's gonna take a lot from it, like a while.
That's you said through. I gave you. That's more than through 2 weeks. That's over 3 weeks from now. All right.
Right.
Well, you're gonna keep getting pulled over.
That's what I was about to say.
You know, so go so $120.
Yes, sir.
When are you gonna pay it? I'm gonna find him responsible. He's admitted on the record that he has tinted windows. Pay it today, sir. I'm not even giving you. Pay it today.
Pay it today.
Yes. You like those tints that much? Pay it today. You already got 4 cases dismissed. I'll give you till tomorrow to have it paid. Just as in the system. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. You can upload that DivDat app on your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. All right.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right. If nothing further, have a great day.
Your Honor, what was that case number again?
That's SP 133-52711.
Thank you.
All right. All right. If it's Timothy Satterfield.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. This is going to be a case where we're just going to arraign him, recall these warrants on him, get him an offer on the next court date that we have him in here. He indicated that to the court that he will do community service to clear this stuff up. All right. He's on the docket for 3 cases, but he's got more than that out there. Many more than that. Let's see. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Timothy Porter Satterfield. Case numbers SP 11404521. That's in warrant status. And count 2 of that ticket as well, warrant status. Will include SP 11404561. I'm going to set aside the defaults as those were had during the pandemic. Let's also go with ticket number SP 1211101, counts 1, 2, and 3. I will set aside those defaults as they were had last year. Ticket numbers SP 1211102, counts 1, 2, and 3. Those are in warrant status. And then the tickets that are on the docket today, SP 1326608, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Timothy Satterfield. Sir, please state your name.
Timothy Porter Satterfield.
All right. As for arraignment purposes.
Purpose of arraignment, we will waive formal reading and stand mute.
All right. I'm going to set aside the defaults in the matters. And I'm going to set aside the warrants as well. And I'm going to enter not guilty pleas on your client's behalf. And I am going to give him another date. That date will be let's get you back April 18th, I mean May 18th. All right.
Okay.
May 18th at 8:30 a.m. Like I say, yes, I know you've been waiting a while today. Get in here early and we can get you out early. All right. Be one of the first ones to show up. All right. We should have an offer on that date. Keep in mind, you're gonna have to do some community service, and it might get up there in hours, but we'll resolve it. We'll resolve it like that. All right.
Okay.
You have any questions, sir?
Yes. For my other outstanding stuff that I got going on, is there a way possible that I could do community service for that stuff as well?
Yeah, we're gonna get you all squared away. If you're willing to do the work, but we'll get you squared away.
Yes, I am, Your Honor. I want to resolve this matter.
Thank you. If there's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day.
Really quickly, is this going to be the same Zoom ID or how's that going to work?
Same Zoom ID, April 18th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a great day, sir.
You as well.
All right. Okay, everyone. I think that's going to conclude today. Coleman. We still have Coleman, and we haven't gotten it. If we got a response from Coleman from 435.
They do have an afternoon docket, Your Honor, and I suggest that she call around 1:30 and they can give her a new date. They can assist her.
All right, call
Okay,
there
thank you.
at 1:30, ma'am. And if you don't find anything, call back tomorrow morning. And if you don't find anything, give us a Zoom in tomorrow morning if you can't get into there. Their Zoom ID is 435 instead of 434.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
You
Okay,
too.
everyone. Ms. Williams Law, Ms. Harris, Ms. Robinson, Ms. Hernandez, Mr. Buenteo. Strike that, Ms. Buenteo, and Mr. Phillips, and Ms. Jansen and Ms. Mathis. I appreciate all.